Land use zoning refers to the systematic division of land into specific areas or zones according to their intended use or function. This means that certain areas are set aside for residential purposes, others for industrial, commercial, agricultural, recreational, or conservation purposes. The main goal of land use zoning is to ensure orderly development of settlements and efficient utilization of land resources while reducing conflicts between different land uses. It is widely applied in both urban and rural areas to promote sustainable land management and enhance the quality of life for residents. Here are 10 importance of land use zoning. 1. Prevents land use conflicts. By allocating specific areas for different activities, land use zoning helps prevent conflicts between incompatible land uses, for example, keeping noisy industries away from residential areas. 2. Promotes orderly urban development. Zoning ensures that towns and cities grow in a planned, organized, and controlled manner. This reduces overcrowding, congestion, and haphazard development, promoting sustainable urban growth. 3. Enhances environmental conservation. Land use zoning makes it possible to set aside protected areas such as forests, parks, and wetlands. This helps preserve natural habitats, reduce pollution, and maintain ecological balance. 4. Facilitates efficient infrastructure development. It becomes easier to plan and install roads, water supply, drainage systems, electricity, and communication lines when land use is well zoned, saving both time and resources. 5. Promotes public health and safety. Zoning separates hazardous activities such as factories, waste disposal sites, and fuel stations from residential areas, reducing public exposure to pollutants, noise, and accidents. 6. Increases land value and attracts investment. Well-zoned areas are attractive to investors because they offer predictable, safe, and organized environments for businesses, industries, and residential development. This raises property values and stimulates economic activity. 7. Protects agricultural land. Through zoning, fertile and productive agricultural areas can be safeguarded from being converted into industrial or residential estates, ensuring food security and promoting rural livelihoods. 8. Provides space for recreation and social amenities. Zoning ensures that adequate land is set aside for playgrounds, parks, sports fields, schools, and hospitals, contributing to the well-being and quality of life of communities. 9. Facilitates disaster risk reduction. By identifying and restricting development in hazard-prone areas like floodplains, steep slopes, and swamps, zoning helps reduce the risk of disasters such as floods, landslides, and industrial accidents. 10. Guides future planning and development. Zoning provides a framework for long-term urban and rural development plans, helping authorities and planners predict land demand, manage population growth, and allocate resources more effectively.